This is Agus. And this is
Franco.
Oh yeah. And this is
Lulu.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. That was so harsh. This is Lulu.
And this is Lua.
So we bought this camper about 2 years ago.
It's a Toyota from 1984.
And we've been remodeling it for months, and we finally left from Miami all the way to
Argentina.
It's the plan.
And we drove all the way from Miami to Texas.
Where we are now in, where are we? Laredo?
Laredo.
I don't know.
Laredo, Texas, which is the last city before crossing the border to Mexico.
Well, I mean, you can cross on the other side. It's not the last city,
Yeah,
but whatever.
I mean,
So-
southeast, maybe.
Okay. So we were in San Antonio the last couple of days where we were doing the last paperwork for the dogs in order for them to cross the border. Lulu and Lua went to the vets. Lua had an ear infection, which she was treated for. And now we already have their health certificates in order to cross.
So anyways, we have a checklist of everything we need to cross the border for tomorrow, and hopefully we are in Mexico driving by tomorrow.
Hopefully we make it. So it's 9, oh my god, it's 9:38 a.m. 9:38 a.m. We woke up at 5 a.m. to get everything done and go straight to the border. But my phone is not working. I mean, it works, but the sound doesn't work, so we had to go and buy a new phone, and the store didn't open up until 9 a.m. so we had to wait. Now we are looking for, what are we looking for?
We're looking for to exchange some pesos.
To exchange money. So we just exchanged $100 to Mexican pesos. They basically robbed us because on the market it's like $19 or maybe more, and we bought it here for how much?
$17.80.
$17.80. But we needed to exchange some money before going into Mexico. Sending us somewhere. So apparently we're already in Mexico, but we're still doing all the paperwork for the inspection of the car and passports, etc.
Laredo. Then we're gonna head to Monterrey.
That's the guy who did our inspection.
We got the permit.
Oh, that's the permit?
Yeah.
Nice. We are in in Mexico. I can't believe, it's like crossing a little bridge. It's like a block away from Texas. It's insane. Wow.
I think we are ready to close the border.